Let's go to learn today. Today we'll learn about the mandatory guarantees, mastering personal protections. Let's break down how public liability and core insurance coverage protect your hard-earning cash from unexpected disaster. What are basic coverage? Before building wealth, we must protect your baseline. Basic coverage acts as your financial shield, ensure a single accident doesn't wipe out your entire life saving. The public liability pay for accidental injury or property damage you cause to another person's. Property shields protect your physical assets like your home, car, or personal belonging from disaster. And health baseline absorbs catastrophic medical bills so your emergency funds stay safe. Liability and coverage formula and thresholds. The net worth exposure, the actual wealth at risk without liability insurance. The out-of-pocket costs, what you owe if your coverage limits are too low. The auto liability split, the cap on payouts for medical harms you cause. Umbrella threshold kicks in when basic limits are completely exhausted. Why track your guarantees? Look, auditing your insurance policies isn't just a boring chore. If you don't know your exact coverage limits, you are flying blind. It's like building a beautiful house on a foundation made of cardboard without checking the weather forecast first. Leaving a gap in your public liabilities coverage can allow a single slip and fall lawsuit to target your future wage. Theoretical calculation, the wealth cap. Let's look at quick math example for hypothetical accident using sample number to see how bad it gets without protections. The total claims, medical bills plus property damage. The insurance share maxes out of your standard limits. Your shortfall, your claim minus your insurance. The asset impact is wiped out of 20% of your total net worth. Let's visualizing the financial impacts. Interpreting the damage split. As you can see, the insurance policy covered 59% of the disaster, but left you exposed for the remaining 41%. This matters because you have to liquidate retirement fund or cash saving to pay that remaining balance immediately, bumping your liability limits from 50,000 to 300,000 usually costs just a few extra dollars a month. Real life scenario, the renters. Think about your friend Sarah. She forgot to turn off her bathroom shrink before leaving for a long week. The water flooded her apartment and leaked downward, destroying $20,000 worth of electronic and furniture in the unit below. She thought her landlord structural policy would cover everything. Thankfully, her one renter's insurance policy had a strong public liability clause that stepped in to pay for the neighbor ruin gear. The landlord policy only cost the wall, not Sarah's mistake. The renter's liability paid for the neighbor's cleanup and gear. Umbrella policies, your best friends. How extra protection works. Here is the best part. Personal umbrella insurance acts like a legal cheat code that extends your public liability limits if you face a massive lawsuit for a $1 million, but your auto policy is maxed out of $300. Umbrella saves the day. The excess production. It seamlessly pick up right where your auto or home policies left off. The legal fee coverage. The policy pays for expensive defense lawsuits without touching your wallets. The worldwide shield. It protects you from liability splits even when you rent a car abroad. Let's take expert tips to maximize coverage. Match your net worth. Make sure your total liability limits equal or exceed your total combining financial assets. Build your policies. Combine your auto and home insurance with one company to get massive multiply policy discounts. Review your deductible. Raising your deductible from 250 to 1000 lower premiums, saving cash for investments. Document your valuables. Take video clips of everything inside your home today so claiming compensation later is easy. Key takeaway. Audit early. Check your policy declaration page every single year. Gaps in a safety or financial trap. Liability first. Prioritize high public liability limits over cheap premium to insulate your net worth. Scale with wealth. As your saving and property value grow, your insurance protection must grow with them. Stay defended. Accidents happen to good people. Having ironclad guarantees is the ultimate hack for a peace of mind. Managing your personal finance isn't just about chasing high investment returns. Mastering your mandatory coverage ensures you actually keep what you wear. That is the lesson for today, guys. Thank you very much. If you have a question, don't hesitate to write in the comment. Have a nice day and subscribe in our channel. See you soon.